This is a quick tutorial on how to set up Webdriver on Mac OS to work with Tosca. There are 3 simple steps. First, install Java and configure Safari. Second, download Selenium. And third, start Selenium Hub and Webdriver. Let's get started. First, go to java.com and download the latest version of Java. Once it's downloaded, you'll need to close Safari. Open the DMG file and then double-click the installer. You'll need to allow the installer to run and then provide admin credentials. Click Next to start the install and click Close once it completes. Safari will open to verify Java. Click Verify Java. You'll now need to allow Java to run and then click Verify Java version again. Safari will detect Java on the computer and ask if you want to run it. Select Run. After Java is verified, we need to configure Safari. Go to Preferences, select Advanced, and check the Show Develop menu option. You can now close Preferences. Click Develop in the menu bar, and near the bottom, select Allow Remote Automation. Ensure that it's checked, and then quit Safari. You can now close the Java installer and eject the DMG file. Now we need to download Selenium. On the Selenium site, click the link for the latest Selenium standalone server version. Once it downloads, close Safari and make sure that Selenium is in your Downloads folder. The last step is to start Selenium Hub and Webdriver. To do this, you'll need to open a Java jar file, and we do this by opening Applications, going to Utilities, and open Terminal. Start by typing ls and enter for a directory listing. Then type cd downloads with a capital D. Again, type ls and enter to ensure you're in the downloads folder. And finally, type the command to execute Selenium. If you've completed the steps correctly, Selenium will start. You'll get a confirmation message showing the port that Selenium is using. At this point, you can now remotely scan and execute on Safari on Mac OS.